Hi and welcome everyone. Today we are going to speak about the English articles A, N, and the. Because you know already everything about the English alphabet, vowels and consonant, it will be quite easy to understand when to use articles in English language. Are you ready? Let's start. Articles an are called indefinite and go before a singular countable noun. A is used before words that start with a consonant sound. Let me give you some examples. A ball, a book, a pen. Okay, great. Now let's see, when do we use article N? N is used before words that start with a vowel sound. Would you like some examples? Here you are. An umbrella, an apple, an ice cream. Okay. Also, we use article N before the letter H when this letter is silent. This means that I don't pronounce it. Example, an hour. But an exception here, a horse. Okay, great. Also, we use articles an when we speak about something in general, or when we mention something for the first time. Let me give you an example. An elephant is a big animal. Which elephant? I don't specify a specific animal. I speak about elephants in general. Okay, and the last rule says that an are also used when we want to speak about someone's profession, or we want to say what someone's job is. Example, I am a teacher. You are a student. He is a doctor. Okay, great. Now, let me give you some rules when to use article the in English language. But be very attentive, please. In today's video, I am not going to say all the rules about article the. I will make another video where I will explain just about article the or zero article. This means that we don't use any article. Let me give you some rules regarding article the. So, we use this article when we speak about something concrete, something that we know, or we mention this for the second time. For example, you say first, I have an apple. The apple that I have is delicious. Also, we use article the in front of cardinal points. The north, the south, the east, the west. Also, it is used before names of seas, oceans, and rivers. Example, the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, the Amazon River. Okay, and let me give you one more example, that the is used in front of some countries, states, unions, like the United States of America, the United Kingdom. My friends, these are not all the rules regarding article the. No, be patient because I will make another video where you'll discover everything about this small but amazing article. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow my YouTube channel for more videos and also enter my Facebook page where you can find a lot of exercises regarding our videos. Put everything that you learned in practice. Thank you for watching.